Hello everybody and welcome back to another quick but efficient video. So I'm going to show you how to download your floor plan sheet and print to scale. When you have your sheet, go to the print icon up here and then you're going to, select your view that you want. I'm going to click the floor plan. Okay, so first go here to settings and click setup. And whatever size that this sheet is you've got here, you're going to select that from this drop down box. I have 30 by 42, so that is the one I'm going to select. And then, and now I'm just telling you what I did to get it right. And then under zoom, I clicked the zoom circle, not the fit to page, just the zoom. And then click your orientation, which it's probably going to be landscape. Then you want to save this print setup and you can name it whatever. I've named mine 42 by 30. So just hit save as, and then it's going to ask you to name it, and then click OK or save, and then click OK. And then you should see what you just named it pop up right here in settings. Then you're going to go to properties, advanced right here, and then you're gonna make sure that your sheet size that is right here is matching what's reading here. So like I said earlier, I have a 30 by 42 and it was already selected in the paper output section, but you need to go to advanced to make sure it's there. Don't just assume. So now that I've made sure that it's there, I'm gonna click OK, OK, and then I'm gonna click OK, and then it's going to download and you're going to name it whatever. I'm going to show you what mine was before I did these steps. So before, this is how mine was popping up. This is not right. There should not be this extra white space along the border of your sheets. That means you're not printing to scale correctly. And what caused me to come to this problem was because when I went to press the print icon, I did do my page setup and settings, but I never went to properties in advance. This is what it's supposed to look like. So as you can see, there's a difference. If you zoom out here, this one has a third white border around it, meaning it's the wrong size. This one does not. This one takes up the full page of 30 by 42 inches, and that's what you want it to do because that's the size of your sheet. This is a 30 by 42 page, but your sheet has printed or downloaded to the wrong size. I'm not sure how that happens. All I'm here to do is show you how to fix it. So, like I said, this is how you correctly download a file so that you can print to scale correctly. So now when you go to print at your school's plotting machine, make sure you set the page setup as 30 by 42 or whatever size your sheet is with this correct file here, and it should plot correctly. So once again, this is the before, which is incorrect because there are two white borders, and this is the correct version with the one white border. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it was helpful. Have a blessed day. God bless.